Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember it ain't a race.
I'm gonna put these fake nails on because these are just not doing it for me. And I don't have a nail appointment until the 21st, so oh my gosh, this is what's going on.
Watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day.
Right here they are. They look kind of so not that much better, but a little better than my natural crust are. So. Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just the game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day. You got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go.
Okay, so I just left my house. I'm in my car, and I just did like a 15,000 point turn to get out of the driveway because I was parked behind Bradley's truck with like no space between to really like go around. So I had to like back up a tiny bit, turn a little bit, back up a little more, turn, and you know, if you drive, you know how that works. Took probably 15 times to go back and forth until I could get around his truck, but I didn't hit it, so I'm going to Walmart and Staples either A, to get a refund on my order, or see if they can complete my order. I'm getting our save the dates printed there, and yesterday they were supposed to be ready, and they were like, oh, our printer's like not working very good. I haven't heard from them yet today, and it's 12:18 in the afternoon. So A, I'm gonna either go get a refund or see if they're like doing it or if they can. So yeah, and then I go to Walmart. I'm getting something for my mom. It's a bakery, some cups. She eats some cups, so I'm getting some cups there. But yeah, right now I'm going to the bakery to grab my receipt because my mom has the Staples receipt there, so I'm going to get that now. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little morning routine. I didn't have the most productive morning. It's pretty chill. It's how most of my mornings are. So yeah, see y'all in a little bit. Really quickly, I wanted to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. If something seems to be interfering with your happiness or preventing you from achieving your goals, which I totally understand, we've all been in a position like that. Sometimes I'm really unmotivated and I just don't know why. It's a mental block. All of that, BetterHelp is here to help. BetterHelp will assess you with your need and match you with a licensed professional therapist. You guys can start communicating within 48 hours. It's not a crisis line, it's not self-help, it is professional therapy done securely online. There is a broad range of expertise in BetterHelp, 20,000 plus therapist networks, which may not be locally available in many areas. You can log into your account at any time and send a message to your therapist. You'll get timely and thoughtful responses, Plus, you can schedule weekly video or phone sessions, so you never have to wait in an awkward waiting room like traditional therapy services. BetterHelp is committed to facilitating great therapeutic matches so that it makes it easy and free to change therapists if needed. It's more affordable than traditional offline therapy, and financial aid is available. BetterHelp wants you to start living a happier life today, so visit betterhelp.com/Messler for 10% off of your first month with BetterHelp. That's betterhelp.com/Messler. It'll be on the screen as well as down below in the description box. Join the million other people taking charge of their mental health with the help of an experienced professional. Again, that's betterhelp.com/Messler for 10% off of your first month. It'll be in the description box below. Definitely go check it out and take charge of your mental health. Being happy is important. BetterHelp has it all and it will help you, so definitely go check it out. Link in my description box below. I care about you, and BetterHelp also cares about you guys, so check it out. So, I just went to Staples expecting fully to just get a refund and move elsewhere, but they had them finished and they look pretty good. The picture's a little bit pixelated, but they're pretty good. I think they look cute and they'll do great. They're just the save dates. They're not the actual invitation, so I think they're perfect. So here they are. This is the front. It has our date on it, where it's at, invitation to follow. So cute. This is the back with a cute little picture, and it says further details, saying the date and all that. So cute. I'm so excited. This is what it looks like. I'm so excited. Okay, someone just pulled next to me. That's embarrassing. But I'm going into Target now to get some stuff to make coffee so I can stop spending money every day on Starbucks and Dunkin' and all that fun stuff. But I'm so happy I got to save the dates, and I will seal those up today. Woo! I'm doing like wax seals. So cute. So, okay. Let's go to Target. Into Target. I'm already here actually, so let's go in. I'm back from Target. I literally said I was gonna vlog some in there, and then I just didn't. It's so hot. Okay, Target haul. I got some more cotton pads. I got a Starbucks Blonde Espresso and the Veranda for my espresso, and Takis for now because I'm hungry. I got a little pumpkin pie spice I'm gonna put into the cream and try to make foam out of. I don't think that's how you actually do it, but it sounds like it's the easiest way. So that's that bag. Some 2% milk, which is it. Not the funnest, but don't be hating on my Target haul. Now I'm going over to Walmart really quickly, and then I'm going back to my parents' bakery, and then, yeah, I don't know. I'm going to try to make the coffee I talked about. A iced blonde vanilla latte with pumpkin cream cold foam on it is what I'm going to try to make when I get home. I'm in such a good mood. The whole Target trip, all I can think about is, oh my god, I'm getting married. I just got my save the dates. I'm gonna get ready to send them out. Today marks 99 days left until I get married. So we're down to double digits. 99 days, 99 days. Oh my god, my camera's falling because I'm getting so excited. But 99 days until I'm a wife, so get hype. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Ew, I hate the lighting in here. I'm home now. I just got a package from Selfie Leslie. I ordered this little dress to go dress shopping, which I'm going Saturday. I'm so excited. But I got this cute little dress. I don't know if you can see me, but so cute. It needs to be ironed really bad. It's so wrinkly, but it's so cute. Little dress. I think it looks really cute, so. Yeah, and it's really easy to like slip on and off for dress shopping, so I'm so excited. I just need to iron it because it's really wrinkled, but it's so cute. Look at the little bride. It's like the perfect little baby doll dress. Love it. Yeah, so excited.
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like
Okay guys, I am going to end the video here. It's getting late and I'm really tired, so I'm going to get ready for bed. I just finished sealing all of the save the dates. They look so cute. I'm so excited. But I'm really tired. My back is sore from hunching over doing it. So I'm gonna get ready to bed and get ready for bed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.